Hello, my name is Milena and today I'm gonna show you a really useful and free tool for developers, which is GitHub. First of all, before we start, we need to know what is Git. Git is a most commonly used version control system that helps in tracking changes and have record all changes to the file. So the GitHub is a service for hosting a repository where you can store the code, projects, and needed data for that projects. Now, I will show you in this tutorial how to start and use the GitHub. To use this service, we need to go to github.com. The link to this page is below in the description of this video. Now I'm going to github.com and you need to sign up your email address, password and personal details. I have already signed up, so now I'm logging with my email address and my password. So now when you sign up, you can go to your account, see your repositories, or if you don't have any, here you can create a new repository. Repository is really important thing. You need your repository to store a variety of projects in GitHub, including open source repositories. With open source projects, you can share code to make better, more reliable software. You can use repositories to collaborate with others and track your work. Next, a really useful thing connected with GitHub is GitHub Desktop software, which is normally downloaded from GitHub website. This is the GitHub Desktop software window. So I will show you how to create new repository. For example, for my assignment, I will coding in Blue.js app on my computer, but you can use any coding app. As you can see, here is project bench on Blue.js apps and the code of them. Now I'm going back to GitHub website to create a new repository. Click the green button to create new repository. Set the name of your new repo, for example, new project. And you can also write the description of this new repository, but this is not necessary. I can name it repository for new project. You can also choose public or private repository, but I've chosen the public because I want to collaborate with someone. There are three options of initializing the repository with. You can choose any of the options depending on your needs. You can learn more in the links next to the option here. I'm choosing the first option and click the green button on the bottom to create your new repository. This is my new repository called New Project. You can click green button code to copy your repository code and paste it in your before downloaded GitHub desktop. Click button Add, next clone repository, URL option, and paste your repository link. Clone this, and now is the cloning of new project, my repository. At the center of this app, you can always check the changes that you've done. Really important thing for us as developers is to refreshing our GitHub. To refreshing repository. Every time when you're coding something, you need to go to GitHub desktop to fetch origin on the top to update the changes with GitHub website. And now, when changes is updated, you can go to your repository and see that everything is good and updated. Additionally, I would like to show you my previous project as perfect example. Look, when I correcting something on my code in BlueJ, you can see that in my previous repository, every changes from the code is recorded in the GitHub. That's why GitHub is very useful tool for us as developers. As I said, every changes in the code you need to push to origin to update your GitHub desktop with GitHub website. I will show you on the website what we can see the changes. Go to my previous repository, BlueJ apps, because this was BlueJ, and you can see here that the change was updated 26 seconds ago. This software is really precise. I hope that I showed you a little bit what is GitHub and how to start with it. Thank you for watching my tutorial, and if you have any questions, write it in the comment section. Thank you, bye bye.